This is my low-carb pizza dough recipe, and I've got my real Italian pizza sauce on there too. Doesn't take that long to make. You can make it in the oven if you like, but I did it on the barbecue. This low-carb pizza dough recipe is a follow-up to my real Italian pizza sauce. I'll link to that below. This is very fast pizza dough. I'm going to take 170 grams of sifted almond flour, put that into a microwave bowl. We're going to add in 1 beaten egg, a teaspoon of baking powder, 170 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, 40 grams or 6 ounces of cream cheese. Going to just mix this up a little bit. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, it's ready. I'm just going to stir it around. You can see the consistency of this. See how it looks like a dough now? And just make sure it's well blended. What I have is some parchment paper. We're going to blind bake this. I've got the grill set at 450 degrees. I'm going to spread the dough out just with my fingers. There, that took about a minute to form that dough. I just wet my fingers just to kind of press it out. I'm going to show you what I put on my wacky pizzas. I've got some olive oil, and I'm going to put that around the edge, and then I'm going to put some garlic salt and some everything bagel seasoning. Garlic salt and everything bagel seasoning. There you go. You can see what that looks like with the olive oil and the bagel seasoning. Now, this is 450 degrees. I'm going to put this in direct for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm burning a little hot, so I'll probably pull it out in 8. Okay, I blind baked this for 10 minutes at 450 degrees. And this is what it looks like. Looks yummy. We're going to add our ingredients now. The sauce, I'm going to put this right around the edge. I've been making this sauce for 20 years. The recipe's linked below in the show notes, but you have to make this sauce. It's so delicious. Make a big batch and keep it in the freezer. Okay, now for the toppings, what I've done is I microwaved the peppers because it's only going to go in for a few minutes. We want it to be cooked. So I'm just going to dress it up with, I've got cherry tomatoes cut in half, jalapenos. I've got some mini peppers. These are little pepperoni chips. You take them and you put them on a paper towel, put them in the microwave, and it turns into a chip. You can use them for scooping. And I've got some ham and some basil, and I sauteed up some mushrooms in some butter. And I've got a mixture of real Parmesan cheese and shredded mozzarella. So I'll dress this up. You can see it's starting to look pretty good. I'm going to put the cheese on now. Can you see that? That looks pretty good. That looks like real pizza. Except it's pretty fast to do this dough. So I'm going to put this in for about 5 to 10 minutes when it's cooked. You kind of have to keep an eye on it. I'm still at 450 degrees. This pizza went for 7 minutes. I'm going to take it out. It's very hot. And one of the most important things with pizza is you don't want it to steam out. So we're going to take it off the parchment paper and put it on this raised rack. I'll just let that rest for a couple of minutes and then we'll cut it. As you can see, the pizza turned out really well. Hopefully you try my dough and my sauce. Thanks for watching.